Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Flex, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side you should see your battery here with your positive terminal and your negative terminal. And you can also double check these there's a negative sign on that by the negative terminal on the battery, and then there'll be a positive one on the positive side. And the next, with a brush or rag, you're going to want to clean up any corrosion stuff like you see all around this as best as you can. And after that, then I'd make sure these are all nice and tight. Tighten them up if you need. That way there's good metal on metal connections for both positive and the negative terminals. And then after that, I would take your jumper cables or your jump box, and with your clamps, your positive clamp, connect as much metal as you can with your clamp. And on the negative clamp, again, connect that to as much metal on metal contact as you can. And if you're jumping from another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle is turned on with the motor on, and you've got your positive leading directly to the positive on the other car, and your negative directly to the negative on the other car. You're going to make sure you don't cross those by mistake, because that could cause damage to your electronic system, computers, fuses, things like that. But all that said, once you've had a good connection to another vehicle or your jump box for a few minutes, hopefully that's gotten enough juice to get this started. If not, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do just by loosening these terminals, removing this support bar, taking the old battery out, placing your new battery in, and then just reattaching and tighten everything, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.